Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for all barbecue enthusiasts. The CARON and DOUCET Barbecue Grill Cleaner Oil. If you're looking to elevate your grilling game, this is the product for you. Let's explore why this is considered the best grill oil spray on the market. The CARON and DOUCET Barbecue Grill Cleaner Oil is not your average cleaning solution. It's 100% plant-based and vegan, perfect for those who prefer natural products. Made from refined coconut oil, it effectively removes grease and residue without the harsh chemicals that can often affect food flavor. First off, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're cleaning stainless steel or plastic parts on your grill, or maintaining wooden scrapers and brushes, this oil does it all. It not only cleans but also helps build a natural seasoning on your grill, enhancing the flavor of your food over time. Users love how easy it is to use. Simply spray it on your grill after use, let it sit for a bit, and then wipe clean. The light citrus scent leaves no lingering odors on your food, which is a big plus. Plus, it's backed by the CARON family guarantee, so you know you're getting a quality product. Compared to other grill cleaners, this one stands out for its natural ingredients and its ability to prevent food from sticking on the grill. Many users have reported that their grills are easier to clean after using this product regularly. Before we wrap up, let's quickly glance at what customers are saying. With over 3,400 ratings and an average of 4.4 stars, it's clear that this product is a favorite among grill enthusiasts. Customers appreciate its effectiveness, natural ingredients, and the fact that it's safe to use around food. In conclusion, the CARON and DOUCET Barbecue Grill Cleaner Oil is a game-changer for anyone who loves grilling. Whether you're cleaning after a big barbecue or just doing routine maintenance, this oil simplifies the process while enhancing your grilling experience. Definitely a must-have in your outdoor cooking arsenal. If you're ready to take your grilling to the next level, check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the CARON and DOUCET Barbecue Grill Cleaner Oil. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.